Winning the Airbnb and VRBO algorithm is harder than it ever has been. More listings, pickier guests, and if you blend in, you end up slashing your price every weekend just to fill the calendar. So let me show you 6 ways to stand out and stay booked in any market and exactly why you should listen to me. All 4 of my rentals are Airbnb guest favorites. One of them is in the top 1%, and across 334 guest reviews, I hold a 4.99 star rating at 98.5% 5 stars, never once below 4. I'm also the top earner in my neighborhood in all 4 of my markets. I put all 6 on a free cheat sheet that you can grab, so let's go through them. The big idea tying all 6 together is simple. You're not really competing on your house, you're competing on the experience around it. And most of that experience is stuff that your competitor could copy but won't because they got lazy or they handed it to a robot or an agency. That is your opening. Here are 6 ways to walk right through it. Number 1, and this is the one that everything else serves, 5-star reviews are your single most important trust builder. And here's why. A guest will believe another guest before they believe one word that you write about your own house. You can call your place cozy and spotless and perfect all you want, but it means nothing next to a stranger saying it for you. Reviews are also what let you hold your rate when the listing down the street panics and drops theirs, and they will also put you higher in the search so that people find you at all. So protect that rating like it is gold because it is. And one simple habit, after checkout, I ask for a 5-star review nicely. Most people are genuinely happy to give one once you've earned it, and it matters so much. They just need to be asked. Number 2, answer guest messages yourself and answer fast. This one shows up in 32% of my reviews. A third of my guests write about my response time in words like responded within minutes, always available when we needed her. Now, here is the opportunity, and it's really a gift. The big management companies and even some individuals are handing their guest messaging over to AI. That might work someday, but they're sending canned robotic replies. So if you answer the actual question a guest asked quickly and personally, you instantly beat them at the exact thing that guests care about the most. And it costs you nothing, $0, just having your phone. And there's a hidden payoff. A fast personal reply is the reason that a guest brings a problem to you instead of just parking it in the review where it hurts you. Speed does not just win reviews, it prevents bad ones. Number 3, overstock the consumables. And I want to be precise because people hear this wrong. I do not mean amenities. I mean consumables and spares. Enough coffee for the whole stay, not 2 pods to get them started. Laundry bags, laundry pods, trash bags, plenty of paper products, full-size toiletries, and not those sad little hotel minis. This also shows up in 32% of my reviews, and it's why it punches so far above its costs. Your guest is comparing you, whether they mean to or not, to every rental they have ever booked in their life and maybe every hotel. When they reach for something and it's actually there, they notice and they say so in writing. It's the cheapest way I know to be visibly better than the place next door. Number 4, fix things the same day because things will break. That is not a maybe, it is a certainty. And here's the key idea. Your guest does not review the breakage, they review your recovery. Let me give you real ones. A dead coffee maker replaced within hours, a television that went out, replaced and remounted on the wall in 3 hours, and my favorite, a hot tub broke and it was completely out of my control. So I bought the family a day pass to the local hot springs instead. That guest left 5 stars and wrote a whole paragraph about it. The thing that went wrong became the best part of their review. What makes this possible is having a way to get something to the house right now without you being anywhere near it. A membership with a same-day or 1-hour delivery will fix more than half of what goes wrong. Have a cleaner and a handyman that you can text instead of call, and answer the guests before you even have the solution, just so that they know you're on it, you're working on it, you're coming up with options. Number 5, spend your money where guests actually feel it. Beds, linens, and the kitchen. Those are the 3 biggies. Sleep quality alone shows up in 24% of my reviews. And look, y'all, I have hundreds of reviews. Comfortable mattresses, real pillows, cotton sheets, more towels than you think you need, and a kitchen stocked well enough that a family can actually cook a meal. I always say a Thanksgiving meal. I have had guests message me asking for the mattress brand so that they can buy one for their own home. That's the bar. And the beautiful thing is that these are one-time purchases that keep earning you 5-star reviews for years because people read these reviews. Quick tip on furnishing without paying retail. I use a service called Minoan that gives hosts trade pricing across a bunch of home and furnishing brands in one account. Great mattresses. There's an affiliate link in my description, and there's also a discount on your first order if you use it. It's how I furnish beautifully without the retail markup and with big discounts. Number 6, and this might be my favorite. Sell the thing that only your house has. This is big and people don't talk about it. Stop competing on the amenity that everyone else is already claiming. Let me show you exactly what I mean with real numbers. In my Orange Beach market, I looked at my comp set of 41 listings in my neighborhood. 35 of them have the word beach in the title. 17 put pool in the title. You know how many mentioned their floor plan? 2. And both of those were mine on different sites. So everybody is shouting the same word, so that word is worth nothing. Lead instead with what a competitor cannot copy without literally rebuilding your layout, your bedroom configuration, how many kings you have, how many en-suites you have, not the street, not the beach, not the pool. Every guest wants your specific house is a different guest with a different budget, and almost nobody is competing for them. That's where the money is. So those are the 6. Reviews, fast personal replies, overstock the consumables, same-day fixes, spend on sleep and the kitchen, and sell what only your house has. Not one of them depends on your market, and you can start on every single one of them this week. I put all 6 on a free one-page cheat sheet so that you can have it in front of you when you set up or tune your listing. It is completely free, and the link is in the description to go to my website and be able to grab it. If you want the full version, the systems, the pricing setup, the guest experience, and the financial model I use to run these 4 homes myself in 5 to 10 hours a week, that is the STR JumpStart Masterclass, and I'd love to help you. One price, no subscriptions, no sticky contracts, no upsells, and I will answer your questions personally. It's all at strjumpstart.com, the free download, a free webinar, and the Masterclass. If you want the simple, honest, numbers-first take in this business, subscribe and stick around. Go download that cheat sheet, pick one of the 6, and go make your rental impossible to scroll past. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.